Okay, you guys, I just wanted to give you a taste of sort of live trading. This is actually not live. This is it's a replay, but it'll give you an idea of what it's like to trade using this methodology. Um,
Order pending.
I will be including actual live trading examples in the future here. So again, on the 5 minute, we're testing down into that support zone. This is a 150 tick chart, so we're also looking at how the Midas is reacting in here. And so we tested support right in here. Since the trend hasn't really, we're trying to pick a bottom. I'm not being too aggressive, so I'm waiting. I want to see how it's going to react to this, and then let it test back down into here before I do anything in terms of an actual trade. And we'll just see how this unfolds here. So now we're testing that upper channel, expecting some resistance there or a breakout, and we're kind of waiting right now to see if we're going to get that break. We got a yellow bar suggesting it may pause and possibly pull back in. Okay, we have a pull in, and we're testing into that possible support with the primary black line, the primary curve. So now we have red bars. We're either going to break through and start heading down, or possibly get a green bar, and hopefully then a dot, which will sort of give us an additional confirmation for a long trade. And we're flirting with possible green bar here. We'll see how we close. We have a green bar. We're still below the trend line. We got a green dot, and we're breaking above. So I'm going to go ahead and buy this. See what we get. I'm going to move my stop down a little bit. Typically, when you've caught the move, right below the low of the bar where there's the green dot, is actually usually a pretty safe place to put a stop. So now we're gonna follow this up with the green bars. If we get a change in bar color and then a break below it, then we'll consider exiting. I'm gonna go ahead and accelerate the replay speed here. We have a red bar forming. I'm going to go ahead and put in a stop right below the low of that bar. Okay, so now we're watching in here to see if this is just a pullback. We're testing this blue upper channel line. I'm going to go ahead and take this in anticipation of it being a pullback. I'm going to put my first target inside of this range just in case it becomes a channel zone, because of this resistance right in here. It's a good first target area. And it just missed me. Okay, there we go. Okay, broke a new high. I'm just moving my stop up a little bit. Now I'm watching for a change in the bar color. Putting in my stop right below this Midas line. And again, we have a break higher. First target is immediately hit. Oh, we want to get our stop in here.
Stop filled.
And again,
Order pending.
we are, I'm a little short.
Target filled.
And I want to go to break even there. I'm going to go ahead and exit.
Filled.
And possibly buy a break again.
Order filled.
Okay, we're going, this is maybe slightly ill-advised. I'm going to exit part of my position. Sorry for the, let's see here. There we go. Should be able to see that a little bit better.
Stop filled.
Okay, and that last trade wasn't, this is, the speed here is so quick. I should not have actually taken that because had I entered right here, I should have exited right in here, and I missed it. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. I ended up buying it right there, and if it didn't just immediately blow through there, I should have just been out. So, I mean, I got out pretty quickly. But anyway, you get the idea. This was a market replay, so not actual trades, but I will show you some actual live trading. Very similar results in the real market, and I have some interesting things to show you guys as well down the road in terms of scaling into sort of longer term positions using this approach. If you can do this on an intraday basis profitably, then you can obviously, well, it's obvious to me at this point that you can use it to scale into longer term positions, which is where it gets really exciting, because if you can enter intraday on a 2, 3, 4 day, or if not a 2, 3, 4 week long trade, your risk to reward suddenly goes through the roof, and that's what our goal is here.